Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arion Zhane here, back with another video, and today we are doing another unboxing slash first impressions video. So before I get into my excitement for today's product, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let me know if you guys want some more of this fashion lifestyle content here on my channel, because if y'all want it, then I will empty out my closet. Anyway, okay, let's get into this video. So guys, on September 19th, I was scrolling on Twitter and I came across the most beautiful pair of boots that I've ever seen in my entire life. And guys, I am being so serious with you guys. Literally the most beautiful pair of shoes. I even talked about it on one of my Instagram pages. I was like, I need these shoes. Now, what stopped me from getting those shoes was the price. Now, full moment of transparency, I'm a working woman, I have an income, I'm able to buy myself things now that I couldn't buy myself in college. But I don't know if I could justify spending $1,100 after 5 days of working. So if you can't tell by the title, I mean, you already know what shoes these are. These are the Gucci leather ankle boots with a cute little embellished belt around the ankle, guys. When I literally stared at the shoes for 5 minutes because of how beautiful the shoes were. I mean, look at the picture, guys. If you're somebody that likes boots, you have to like these boots too. They're stylish, they're cute, they're simple but classy. And I mean, they got the cute little G's on the front. But I was like, Arion, now, do you want to spend $1,100 on a pair of boots? And I mean, because of this video, you guys know my answer was no. I couldn't bring myself to do it. And I want to start getting myself more high quality products, investment pieces, yada yada yada. But I'm personally not ready to make that move right now. I just don't have the mindset yet. I can barely bring myself to buy a $45 sweater. So I don't think I'm at the point where I could buy an $1,100 pair of shoes just yet. I feel like I still have this college kid mindset, but I don't think my mindset is bad because it's helping me save money. And at the end of the day, material things don't matter, but I want to treat myself sometime. Anyway, so I found a pair of dupes for these shoes, and these aren't the dupes that you order from some random vendor in a random country and you paid $15 for them. No, these boots right here were also an investment, but they were only 10% of the investment. Okay guys, so let's get into the tea of this video. So Steve Madden, which I personally feel is the GOAT, because they always have dupes of these super cute designer things for way less of the cost, but still great quality, which is what I'm all about. I'm not really trying to buy the cheap things that the heels falling off or gets scuffed and you can't do anything about it. I need pieces that last. Steve Madden has a pair of Amulet ankle boots that literally look the same as the Gucci boots, guys. The Gucci boots were $1,100, 1100.00. The Steve Madden boots were $129. That's not a steal. I don't know what a steal is. This is literally what, 11%, maybe 10.5% of what the Gucci boots would cost. Enough of me talking. Let me show you guys the boots. I don't even know if you guys deserve to see these. If you're subscribed, you deserve to see this. If you're not subscribed, you don't deserve. Guys, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this? You can get a little sneak peek, but when I pull them out, you're gonna fall out of your chair. Tell me these aren't the Gucci boots. Well, tell me these are not the Gucci boots. Guys, Steve Madden does an amazing job of copying these designs. And it's not like Steve Madden is a random brand. Steve Madden is a well-known, good brand. So this was a gift, so I didn't spend my own money. But my mom knew what she was doing when she bought these boots. Oh, and I guess you can see the inside. So right quick, let's talk about the difference between these and the Gucci boots. These were, again, 10.5% of the cost. And the Gucci boots, which you'll see in the picture, they're a little, the leather is a little more shiny. I noticed that. Obviously, it has the Gucci emblem slash logo right here. And the Gucci boots also have this really cool, actually, snake imprint on the bottom. So like if you were to like step in dirt, it would look like, you know, snake was there. It's really, really cool, but is it worth the $1,100 though? After seeing these, obviously not. Like, I am so happy that I didn't make that move to get the Gucci ones. Now, will I get the Gucci ones in the future? In like 5 years or whatever, whenever these are gone, I will consider getting the Gucci ones because I would assume they would last longer. But guys, look at the, like, 2-inch heel, vegan leather, cute little jewels. It has the little boot strap so I can make sure I put them on my feet. And I thought this was so cool. I'm not sure if the Gucci ones have this, but like that helps. You know what I mean? Because people have different size legs, yada, yada, yada. Ignore the, not lint, but it's like pieces of thread. I tried it on with something dumb yesterday. But guys, these are literally so cute. They fit perfectly. I would even be comfortable with wearing these in the rain as long as I use, you know, like the leather spray. Literally adore these. And I also want to talk about like what you guys could style these boots with, because black boots go with anything. I already have a pair of black boots. If you guys didn't see my BOOHOO try on haul, I got a pair of like regular black Chelsea ankle boots. I literally would wear those every day. Anyway, but with these, like these rhinestones add an extra element. So you can't just be wearing the sweatpants and the t-shirt with these. No, you got to dress it up. Okay, now let's talk about how to style these boots. So I love like black boots. I got a pair from BOOHOO. If you haven't seen my BOOHOO haul from 2019 or 2020, I got these cute basic black Chelsea boots. I'll be sure to link up here and down below in the description box. But I literally love those boots. I wear them all the time. Now with these, I'm going to want to like spice it up. So as you guys can see, I decided, okay, let's pair this up with a cute pair of like jeans. Now you can either do like blue denim jeans, you know, which is really, really cute. I think like denim and black, just they always look really great together. Or you can go for like, you know, a sleeker look, right? You could go with a pair of black skinny jeans. And guys, I'm a skinny jean fiend. I know there's so many other different types of cute cuts out there for jeans, but I just love a good skinny jean. That's just me. And then on top, you could do a white or black. I'm gonna do white bodysuit, and I got this from BOOHOO. This was my BOOHOO haul from 2020. Very cute, very inexpensive. I got 2 of these tops for $7. Crazy price. And I like to pair it, of course. You guys, I mean, you guys could have guessed what I was going to pair it with. The leather jacket. I got this leather jacket for Christmas 2 years ago, or I think 1 year ago, and it literally pairs perfectly with my boots. Like the gold just matches so well. They both have that same shine, like not super shiny like the Gucci leather boots, but like this kind of like, I don't want to say dull because that sounds bad, but like this kind of like muted shine, and it just looks really, really cute together. And then of course you could pair it with a purse, but you could also do with like a purse that has like a little bit more pop of color. All of my other purses are put up, so I can't show y'all that. And then like some cute jewelry such as this necklace, or if you have gold earrings, yada yada yada. I think that would be super, super cute. So y'all, if you're interested in these boots, if you want to go pay the $1,100 for the Gucci boots, go for it. I was just not, or I was and I am not in that headspace to spend that type of money on a pair of shoes right now. But if you want it, go for it. I'm not gonna knock you. Like, treat yourself, girl. But if you want to be more on a budget like me and you want to get these Steve Madden Gucci inspired boots, I think it's totally worth it, guys. Like, again, there's like literally 3 differences. The snake on the bottom, it doesn't have the GGs on the front, and it's not as shiny as the others. But in my situation, I think it works perfectly. I'm so happy. Like, I will literally have to fight myself from wearing these boots every single day when I leave the house. Well, I don't leave the house every single day, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. And guys, I just love how this looks with the necklace. Guys, my mom comes in so clutch. She got both of these for me, and she knows me so freaking well. Ugh. And I guess I should also mention this, both the Gucci and the Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arion Zhane here, back with another video, and today we are doing another unboxing slash like first impressions video. So before I get into like my excitement for today's product, make sure you guys Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let me know if you guys want some more of like this like fashion, like if y'all want it, then like I will empty out my closet. I will do it for you guys. Anyway, okay, let's get into this video. So guys, on September 19th, I was scrolling on Twitter and I came across the most beautiful pair of boots that I've ever seen in my entire life. Fruit snacks. Get this, make the whole fit a look, take some pictures, post it on Instagram, do your thing. All right, guys, I feel like I'm blabbing at this point, but definitely a really, really great buy. I can't wait to put some outfits together with this outside of the one that I featured in this video. I will have these linked down below, both the Gucci and the Steve Madden ones. I say get the Steve Madden ones, but you know, you already know how I feel. But alright guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Again, if you enjoyed this review and like low-key advice session, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that lovely red subscribe button down below and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every single time your girl posts. Guys, I'm just so in love with these. I could literally stare at these all day. I will see you guys in my next video. Maybe I'll even be wearing these. No, I won't. But I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.